In this video, I am going to show you how we can configure account lockout policy in Windows Server. So first of all, we have to open group policy management and then right click on default domain policy and click on edit. Go to computer configuration and go to policies, click on Windows settings, and here you will find security settings and click on account policies. In account policy, you will find this account lockout policy. So to know about this account policy, first of all, we need to configure the account lockout threshold. So by default, if any user attempt to log on to your computer and he or she enters the wrong password, so their account will not be logged out. And if a hacker tries to log into your uh, system via remote shell or any other method or brute force, so he will not be face any setback. He can try multiple times using dictionary attack or any other kind of method. So to prevent these kind of attacks and prevent any user from entering password multiple times, we can define this account lockout policy. So here is the explanation. You can see if anyone tries to log in with the wrong password, so he or she will be logged out from the account. So I have defined the two after entering two password or two wrong password, your account will be logged. So click on OK. So this is the account lockout duration that will be set to 30 minutes. It means nobody can log on to that account till 30 minutes, and after 30 minutes he will be allowed to log in only if he or she has the correct password. If he or she enter again the wrong password, then again 30 minutes will the account will get blocked. So click on OK. So these are the parameter automatically set. Now we have to update the policy on the server side. So type here gp update. So we will have to wait for the message. User policy update has completed successfully and computer policy update has completed successfully. So now we will try to log in on our client machine with the wrong password. So I will type my user and suppose I want to give a wrong password. So first time it is allowed. Second time the reference account is currently logged out and may not be logged on to. So now this account has been logged for 30 minutes. If anyone try, it will say the reference account is currently logged. So you have to open a support ticket with your administrator. You have to call your support team. So what support team will do, it will open Active Directory user and computers and go to your username and click on properties. And on the account tab, you will find here unlock account. So click on apply and click on OK. So now you will be able to log in if you have correct password. So this is how account lockout policy works. Thanks for watching.